Welcome to our ultimate guide to the best stick vacuum cleaners on the market. If you're looking for powerful suction, lightweight design, and versatility in your cleaning routine, you've come to the right place. We've handpicked top models that make cleaning effortless, whether you have pets, kids, or just a busy lifestyle. From the Shark Rocket Stick Vacuum with its pet hair tools to the Bissell Crosswave, which vacuums and mops simultaneously, we'll cover it all. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the link in the description below. Join us as we explore these amazing stick vacuum cleaners that promise to make your home cleaner and your life easier. Number 1. Eureka Mini Stick Vacuum Cleaner. The Eureka Home Lightweight Mini Cleaner for carpet and hard floor is the perfect cleaning companion for your home. With its versatile 3-in-1 design and onboard crevice tool, this vacuum allows you to customize your cleaning experience to suit your needs. Weighing only 4 pounds, the Eureka Blaze is easy to carry and maneuver, making it ideal for quick cleanups and reaching those hard-to-get-to areas. Eureka's signature swivel steering enhances maneuverability and cleaning efficiency, outperforming standard stick vacuums. The capture nozzle is designed to pick up larger debris with ease, ensuring that surface dirt and dust are effectively removed from various surfaces. Powered by a 2-amp motor, this vacuum captures dust and pollen, while the washable filtration system helps improve air quality. The vacuum's 18-foot power cord and extra-large dust cup, 0.35 L capacity mean you can clean larger areas without the hassle of frequent outlet changes or trips to the trash can. Its environmentally safe packaging has passed frustration-free packaging (FFP) certification, ensuring a safer and more eco-friendly delivery. Founded in 1909, Eureka has been a trusted name in home cleaning for over a century. The Blaze Stick Vacuum Cleaner continues this legacy, offering long-lasting performance, quality, and value. Ideal for tiny houses, college dorms, and apartments, this powerful yet lightweight vacuum boasts impressive suction power, making it perfect for cleaning tiles and hard floors. The large, easy-to-clean dust cup and washable filter simplify maintenance, while the advanced swivel steering allows for effortless maneuverability around furniture and stairs. With multiple accessories included, this mini vacuum helps you clean hard-to-reach crevices in furniture, making it an essential tool for any home. For optimal performance, it is recommended to clean the roller brush and belt every 2 weeks to prevent clogs and potential malfunctions. Upgrade your cleaning routine with the Eureka Blaze Stick Vacuum Cleaner and enjoy a cleaner, healthier home. Number 2. Bissell Multi-Surface Vacuum Cleaner. The Bissell Crosswave Omni-Force Multi-Surface Hard Floor Cleaner is the ultimate solution for tackling both wet and dry messes with ease. This versatile machine combines powerful vacuuming and mopping capabilities, allowing you to clean your home more efficiently. With its dedicated power vac mode, the Crosswave Omni-Force delivers 75% more suction compared to previous models, making it perfect for stubborn dry debris. In power mop mode, it simultaneously vacuums and mops, effortlessly handling everyday messes on sealed hard surfaces and area rugs. Designed with pet owners in mind, every purchase of the Bissell Crosswave Omni-Force supports the Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. The tangle-free technology minimizes hair wrap and clogs, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free cleaning experience. The cordless convenience provides up to 30 minutes of powerful cleaning, allowing you to clean whenever and wherever messes occur without the constraints of a cord. The 2-tank technology keeps clean and dirty water separate, ensuring that you always clean with fresh water in solution. Additionally, the self-cleaning cycle freshens the brush roll and flushes debris into the dirty tank with just the press of a button, making maintenance quick and easy. Whether it's tracked in muddy paw prints, dust bunnies in the corner, or spilled cereal on the floor, the Crosswave Omni-Force is equipped to handle it all. Investing in the Bissell Crosswave Omni-Force means investing in a cleaner home and supporting a cause that helps save pets. Designed to make pet messes, odors, and pet homelessness disappear, This multi-surface cleaner is a powerful and reliable addition to any home. Number 3. Shark Rocket Stick Vacuum Cleaner. The Shark Rocket Stick Vacuum Cleaner is the ultimate solution for a versatile and powerful cleaning experience. Designed to tackle deep carpet cleaning and effectively pick up pet hair on all surfaces, this vacuum offers robust suction power and advanced functionality. Weighing less than 10 pounds, the Shark Rocket easily converts into a handheld vacuum, providing ultra-lightweight versatility for floor-to-ceiling cleaning. Equipped with specialized pet tools, this vacuum is perfect for pet owners. The Pet Multi-Tool and Pet Crevice Tool capture embedded pet hair on all surfaces, including hard-to-reach areas. The advanced swivel steering and LED headlights on both the handheld vacuum and nozzle ensure that hidden debris and pet hair are revealed, making your cleaning process more efficient. The Shark Rocket features an XL capacity dust cup, holding up to 0.68 quarts, allowing for extended cleaning sessions without interruption. This vacuum is ideal for cleaning stairs, furniture, and hard floors. The Duster Crevice Tool provides extended reach into small spaces, making it easy to clean a multitude of surfaces. Included with the Shark Rocket Stick Vacuum Cleaner are the Pet Multi-Tool and Pet Crevice Tool, designed to meet all your cleaning needs. Whether you are tackling everyday dirt or deep cleaning pet hair, this vacuum delivers exceptional performance and convenience in a stylish Bordeaux silver design. Number 4. Black Decker Stick Vacuum Cleaner. The Black Decker Stick Vacuum Cleaner is designed to deliver exceptional performance and versatility for all your cleaning needs. Engineered for multi-surface cleaning, this vacuum offers up to 25% more pickup on carpets, making it perfect for tackling stubborn dirt and debris. With up to 40 minutes of runtime, you can clean large areas without interruption, while the AutoSense technology automatically adjusts suction power based on floor type, optimizing performance and runtime. The cyclonic filtration system helps keep the filter clean, ensuring optimal vacuum performance, and the anti-tangle brush bar makes it easy to pick up and remove hair and fur. The built-in LED floor headlights conveniently locate hidden dirt, making your cleaning process more efficient. Additionally, the front-facing dustbin allows the vacuum to lie flat for cleaning under couches, beds, and other furniture, giving you access to confined spaces. This lightweight vacuum easily converts into a handheld vacuum with the included crevice tool, perfect for cleaning stairs, furniture, and hard-to-reach areas. The vacuum stands upright on its own, providing compact storage without the need for leaning. Whether you're dealing with a large spill or pet hair, the Power Series plus 16 volts max cordless stick vacuum from Black Decker is your ideal cleaning companion. Designed for convenience and efficiency, this vacuum allows you to quickly tidy up your home with time and energy left to enjoy your favorite activities. Number 5. Bissell Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. The Bissell Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner is designed to offer both convenience and powerful cleaning performance. With every purchase, you support the Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to save homeless pets. This vacuum features a 10.8 volts lithium-ion battery, providing up to 20 minutes of runtime and charging fully in just 4.5 hours. Its lightweight, cordless design allows you to move effortlessly from room to room, tackling various surfaces with ease. The two-way folding handle offers extended reach to clean under furniture and breaks down for compact storage. Additionally, the vacuum easily converts into a handheld unit at the push of a button, perfect for above-floor cleaning with the included upholstery brush and crevice tool. The built-in hand vac includes an easy empty dirt bin and a washable filter, ensuring hassle-free maintenance. The multi-surface brush roll can be switched on and off, allowing you to transition seamlessly between different floor types, from kitchen tile to living room rugs. The vacuum stands upright on its own, making storage simple and stress-free. With its versatile functionality and pet-friendly mission, the Bissell Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner is the perfect addition to any home. Enjoy up to 20 minutes of cordless cleaning power, reach far under furniture with the folding handle, and keep your living space spotless with the removable hand vac. When you choose Bissell, you're not just cleaning your home, you're also helping to save pets in need. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the following video.